This is how Ford Focus electric cars are manufactured. The Ford Focus Electric was a limited production 5-door hatchback electric car produced by Ford. The Focus Electric is Ford's second production all-electric vehicle, and production began in December 2011. The production begins with the battery pack. First, the battery pack is installed into the car body. After that, the car dashboard, the steering, and the battery pack cover are assembled. Then the suspension, radiator, and other chassis parts are added. Next, the assembled chassis is moved to the next station through a conveyor. The body is attached to the chassis. Then the tires are tightened using a machine. Now the car passes through various quality tests. Finally, Ford Focus electric car is ready to be delivered.